it's time to start taking off these decals. I've bought a cheap Amazon rubber scraper and a better quality stripper here. So I'm gonna do a test over here. I'm gonna do the cheaper one and then come along from the other side with the better one, which I think is gonna be, I got two for the price of one 3M. So let's do a little test right here and see how that goes. I mean, it works, but very slow moving. So just did this little area. Battery died, but gotta grab another one. You can see pretty slow moving on that one. And this one is the more expensive 3M wheel. Let's see how this one does. And then the results from the 3M, a lot more rubber coming off, but I can move a lot faster and it covers a lot more area. So I think the 3M moves faster. I don't know if it's wearing down quicker than the other one, but I'm gonna keep going and see which one lasts longer and takes it off quicker. So in this case, 3M definitely wins. It's coming off way faster as I'm coming across. So as you can see, it's pretty long stripe. I've also tackled this within like 2 minutes. This one does work, but it takes a really long time. And I'm finding this one's way better. So spend the money, get the 3M, and I'm gonna keep going across. All right, so that took about a couple hours. Here's where I'm at. There's still a bit of gummy stuff where it starts getting hot and sticking on, kind of scrapes off. I'm gonna go around and then I'll clean up the rest. And I've spent a little bit of extra time here, so it gets pretty clean. I'll also use a 3M adhesive remover, I think, to tidy it all up. But yeah, all good. And that's the 3M wheel right there. For all the plumbers out there, you might recognize that. It doesn't come with the mandrel. You gotta make your own.